Y'all, I'm sorry, man. I'm just getting back to the stream. So I gotta set all these little settings on here and make sure you guys can hear me. But anyways, welcome back to the channel, y'all. You feel me? If you're here with me, you're here with Mo Diesel to get some shmoneys, you feel me? And I just wanna really just come on here and just be like, yo, last week, y'all, it was crazy for me. I got super sick. I guess I went to the frat party and I got real super sick being around all those people. I guess, and then they had water slides and stuff. So there was water. There was a lot of, it was hot and it was a lot of people there. So guys, my body just didn't handle it well. And I caught like a cold and I couldn't even talk last week, probably like Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, really. I was just done, right? And I just needed rest and I just needed to just chill out and get myself back together. But I'm back though. I'm back, right? Back and better. I'm feeling a lot better though. Um while I was gone, hold on. Because we're gonna jump into this. We gotta get into this. While I was gone, I did notice that some things have happened in the trading world. It's real crazy to me. Real crazy, guys. Ooh, the heck is that? This is high. It's like 50 pips up. There you go. Okay, so let's talk about it, guys. Let's really talk about it. All right. There was some things that happened that happened in our little world, and it was with the prop firms. All right. So if you were with, and not really all of them, it was just my forex funds, right? My forex funds was doing some grimy things. My forex funds was manipulating the markets for traders, making it hard for them to be profitable traders, right? That's my forex fund. I heard they had emails talking about traders and stuff, and I was just like, yo, any day now, any of these prop firms can go away. If you're relying solely on a prop firm for your future in trading, man, that's just the wrong mentality to have. Okay, that's not a really good way of going about being a trader or a professional trader at that. All right, you guys, listen. Yes, my forex funds is gone, and they scammed, I guess, a lot of people. Listen, I got my first payout from my forex funds. Okay, I traded with them some years ago, and I got my first payout with them, right? And then ever since then, I haven't traded with them. I don't trade with them now. Okay, but there's nothing wrong with trading with prop firms, but you got to know how to work a prop firm, right? You got to know, like, hey, I'm just doing this to fund my personal broker account. You're not doing this to stack up, guys. Y'all want to stack up. Man, this story time, yo. For real, cause I'm on one. I'm back. I'm feeling better. I got my Jordan jersey on, baby. 23, you feel me? Back like I never left. And I think I just need to express myself a little bit on here while we trade this morning, New York session. You guys using these prop firms the wrong way. The wrong way. I really do believe that trading is going to always and forever be here. And if you have the skill to trade, there should be nothing that you have to worry about. Nothing. You don't have to worry about shit. You are a trader, right? A prop firm doesn't stop you from trading. right? I have personal bank accounts, personal broker accounts, and prop firm accounts, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, it's how you use it, guys. You guys ain't using it the right way. You're trying to stack on it and be long term with it. I don't look at prop firms as a long term situation. Heck no. It ain't long term for me. It's just to get that quick hit, you know, and then throw it over in my personal broker account. That's it. That's it, guys. Like, now I ain't trying to stack it. Oh, I want 500K or 1,000 in capital. I don't need all that. You know, everybody's different. We don't need all that. I just need that little and then I can push that bitch over. That's it. That's it. That's how I do it. That's how I live through trading, right? So, and I think you guys should have the same mentality. I feel bad for a lot of people that were, expecting payouts and stuff like that. That's horrible. You know what I mean? I know what it's like to work for a broker's account, and you fail over time, and then you finally pass and you get funded, and it's a good feeling to be on the funded side. But to be funded and then the company you're funded with disappears on you, and now you don't, their assets is frozen and you can't get any of your funded money. I mean, that's terrible. That's really bad. And I feel bad for those people, because I know working as a trader isn't easy. Okay. And to get to that stage of funded isn't easy. Right. So yeah, that's horrible for them. But and for the people who just bought accounts too, a lot of y'all just bought accounts and now the company is gone. Let's check them out real quick, y'all, for real, while we sit here and wait real fast. I got a little time. I see this New York session. It's Monday, y'all. Come on, it's Monday. It ain't nothing that much popping. You feel me? All right, so we got the my forex funds right here, and I want to show you, like when you go to their website, this is the web. This is what comes up, guys. So they're really shut down. And I actually kind of predicted this. I swear to God, I hate 9/11. Like, that's like the worst numbers ever. No wonder it's surrounded around this type of number. You feel me? Like, yo. Anyways, we ain't gonna get too deep in the numerology, but so I mean, their assets is frozen. They got court dates. They got another hearing later the same week in Canada after September 11th. We hope. Guys, that word, we hope. Guys, they're not coming back. All right. You ain't never seen the United States come after securities, come after somebody and give them back their business. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. These guys has probably been under investigation even when I got my payout back then. You know what I'm saying? So they're never coming back, guys. So, but you got to understand that's not the end of the world, right? There's so many other good prop firms out there, guys. One, nobody knew who this guy was. We only saw his name on our MyFX certificates. Once you become funded, they send you a certificate, right? And there was a signature of the CEO of the company on there. That is the only knowledge that we have of who is in charge with this MyFX funds. Like, we don't know who this guy is. Guys, go look up other brokers and get to know the CEOs, right? I don't believe this is the end of prop firms. No, absolutely not. This to me is, I want to say, setting the fucking example. All right, they're setting the example. Somebody gonna be the example, because one, like all the things I've been hearing about this dude, like I can't research it all because I'm not finna go into that. But all the things that this dude been doing and saying in emails and text messages and stuff, like go and research it, guys. I don't think that it was for our better good. You know, it wasn't for the traders long term, you know, the better good of the trader. It was more say on what he can get, you know, out of the traders, manipulating the market, making traders seem like they can't trade, and giving them the worst possible prices, slippage. I mean, the whole nine, y'all. Just come on now. He had no good intentions. So of course, as you can see, what happens when you have no good intentions? Karma. Karma turns around and bites you in the ass, right? So now he's getting ready to be the example. You cannot do business like that in this country. You just can't do it. All right. Securities is going to be on you big time. And I'm pretty sure if they shut them down now, that they've been under investigation. I'm just grateful that I wasn't part of my FX funds. I haven't been a part of them. I don't know, since 2001. It's what, 2023? So but to hear that now that they're shut down, guys, that's just, it was bound to happen, right? They were going to happen to them because they was doing things out of bad intentions. So I mean, he's going to get everything he deserves, right? I hope he enjoyed all the little luxuries that he did have when he had it. Because guess what? They get ready to take all that stuff away from you. And then on top of that, you can never come back again. To us traders, we won't trust you, right? You guys got to start looking into who your CEOs are. There's some really, really good prop firm right now, and these people are actual traders. All right. This guy, he wasn't a trader. You don't know who he was. He was just created a platform and was taking everybody's money and manipulating markets, right? Going out here buying Lambos and Bugattis, right? Hey, listen, that's not the way. You cannot cheat the universe. The universe will only allow you to get away with it for so long, and then the universe is going to be like, all right, that's enough. Take them down. I'm just saying, though, that's just really like how I feel the universe works. Dead ass. Like, I mean, I've tried to beat the universe and it don't work, you know? So that's like going against nature, you know. You can't fight nature. Nature is going to take its course. And look at it. Look at nature taking its course, y'all. Nature is taking its course, and now he's going down. He's about to be the example. Now, for all them other prop firms out there, I hope y'all shit is in line. I hope y'all shit in line. I hope y'all got y'all ducks in a row. Because if you don't, they're going to pick you guys apart. I ain't saying no names. I ain't throwing no brokers out there. I'm not throwing no prop firms out there or whatever. That's not my job. You guys, listen. Hey, it seems like a really good idea to start a prop firm. But if your names are anywhere behind that prop firm and the United States Securities finds out that there were some ill intentions going on, they're shutting you down. They're shutting you down. Like, how long do you think you're going to get away with it? You're bound to fail if you wasn't in good favor of the traders. If you wasn't trying to do something good, you're going to fail. But anyways, that's just crazy. I'm like, yo, I leave for a couple days, you know, like I can't be sick. You feel me? And then here it is. I'm hearing this crazy news, right? Crazy, crazy news. Like, what the heck, y'all? What in the heck are y'all doing? But, guys, this isn't the end. That's the best thing about it. It's not the end. Trading is a skill, guys. It's a skill. Nobody can take away your skill, right? If you find out that one team was doing some fucked up shit, then go to another team. You're still a damn good player, you know? You're still a good player. Just find a better team to play with. So anyways, guys, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. We're going to get to it this week. I'm back. I'm feeling a lot better. All right. Oops. I'm still, you know, a little like stuffy a little, but it's all like it's being drained. It's coming out now from all the stuff that I've been taking. I still am a little stuffy though, but I'm getting a hell of a lot better, guys. I just wanted to let's see. We got stuff going on up here. I wanted to come on here today, look at these markets with some fresher eyes, guys. And I've noticed some things that um that that has happened now that I haven't been really looking at the markets like that. So look here. I'm looking at DXY. DXY has been moving up, came down and retraced a little bit, right? So let's look at that. Let me close this. All right, so DXY came up and retraced. So we'll just get rid of these things that don't matter. We're going to get rid of this, okay? And we're going to put mark up this slippage here. All right, this was the reason right here for them to go up, right? This was that reason. Anywhere in this box, you could go long, right? Oops. You could have did a tight stop on them, maybe, you know, 15, 20 pip, something like that, and then take it up. Where would you take it? I would take it here, right? And these are days. This is the daily chart, guys. So I would have took it here, possibly to these highs, and then, you know, like maybe up here would have been like, okay, I'm trying to see what she got going on before she reversed. But most likely, just like up in this area, taking of these highs would have probably just sufficed, right? You could have just did that and been all right. Could have been buying up this whole time. I remember last week we were trying to catch some sales and we got knocked out of the sales. I think it was NFP, okay? But then I came back and we smacked her. We TP 1, 2, and 3 got smashed, y'all, for real. So yeah, it is what it is. You know, we gonna take some L's. Like I said, we ain't here to be perfect. We just here to be consistent. All right. So let's see what else we got. Go down to the 4 hour real quick. Let's see. I mean, we could pull back a little bit of slippage here. Y'all see this little bit of slippage there? We got some slippage down here, a little slippage here. So we do have some slippage, guys. But we do have liquidity above, as we can see right here. And we got all this above too on the dollar. So strong possibility of dollar just moving upwards. And then that means that you already know that gold, find gold, what is it? Okay, that gold, if DXY is moving up, right, then gold, DXY is pushing to the upside, then gold will automatically start moving to the downside. We do have this liquidity below this slippage candle right here that I have my eye on. So we'll mark that completely because this one did get hit. So as the insufficient price action did get hit, but we left so much more right there. All right. Let me get rid of, I'm gonna clean this up some. This is all this stuff from last week. Okay. So let's see what happened. They hit here. One of my POIs. I had my eye on this area here, right? This would have been a good, nice little sell area right here. Taking her to the downside, back down to this insufficient price action area. Even possibly taking her even lower, right? Back down to the 1904 area. Let's just see. This is like from where we are, about 167 pips out. Not bad. All right, so let's look at the story, guys. What happened over here? Remember, I had a POI over here, and we did have this last push up to the downside before the move to the downside candle. You see that, guys? It was right here. I'm gonna mark it. This candle. Okay, that candle. So if you wanted to take like just a shot, let's say the full body of the candle, and then let me see, what is this? How many pip difference is that? 30 pip difference. Okay. Let's just say these red lines that I just put here was where your eyes were looking. The reason why I had this POI here is because they're on the lower time frame. There is some insufficient price action that I noticed, so I marked it. Reason for me putting my eye. And as you can see, market did come up into this area later on in life. Look, guys, look. This happened, this candle happened the 2nd of August, right, of this year. And then, look, finally she hit the 1st of September. So this was NFP. So they came up into this POI area and then reverse. So we got this quick buy up to the sell to the downside, then a retrace, right? So this retrace right here is catching my eye big time, right? So I'm thinking, all right, cool. It makes sense. We waited all the way to this time, a whole month, just to get back over here in this insufficient price action area, right? And then these two red lines are the candle of that last buy to sell that I marked over here. So boom, this is how we could catch them. Okay, so I caught them here, and they steadily just they they didn't come back into this candle. Look, they did all of this. They went all the way down here to the 1800s. Then they started working their way back up, little sneaky things, and then boom, hit right here. I hope you guys see that. I hope you see that, because this is how they trade. This is how they're trading, guys. All right. Now we have another quick push to the upside, move with a quick move to the downside. So this is their buy to sell. Remember that markets have to buy to sell in order to hedge themselves into position. That's just what they got to do, guys. That's just how they trade. There's no such thing as brokers playing with the stop loss, guys. That's not what they do. Okay. So let's get back into it. This candle here on the 1 hour, quick buy to sell. Let me check to see what this looked like on the 4 hour. That looks horrible on the 4 hour. But it's more clean on the 1 hour. Let's just check this 2 hour real quick. All right, 2 hours still look like that. All right, so we got the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is looking a heck of a lot better. All right, I'm gonna fib this, guys, because I want to know. Oops. I want to see if where this 1 hour stands. All right, like where does it stand? Let's do it. So we haven't mitigated off of this. We have mitigated a little bit based off of the markets coming back up into this candle. As you can see, this candle came up into it and then started to slowly, you know, work its way to the downside. I still see like this insufficient price action below, big pool of money right here, guys. All right. So I'm looking here. So let's go ahead. Let's narrow this down. We can also, you know, you can say that this is insufficient price action too. All right. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking also at these areas of where she played when she pushed up into that look left insufficient price. Well, institutional candle, that's what it was. It was an institutional candle. The institutional candle, it was a quick buy to sell. This is the reason why markets did all this crap that it did. Why did it push down? Because of this candle over here, guys. All right, so now we're looking to see like, well, we might be able to get these targets here. Like literally, guys, these might definitely could get hit. Why? Because DXY can go up. DXY can go up. Dollar can go up, y'all. I know they're giving y'all a lot of like fear in the market, should I say, on DXY, on the dollar, like, oh, you know, bricks. Y'all, dollar's daddy. I just want y'all to know that. Don't believe in the hype. All right. Believe in the charts. All right. Look at the numbers. Look at the charts. All right. Now, this is what I have so far, guys. Just narrowing this down to the, you know, as precise as I can. I like things to be a little bit more precise. OCD like that. So it has to look good to me, and I want it to look good on the screen, right? I don't see maybe having too much movements right now. Let's check Forex Factory news real fast. Do we have news? Today's the 4th. US. Okay, so we do have this US news right here, high news on Wednesday the 6th at 9 o'clock a.m. Let's see anything else. High news Thursday at 7:30. And we have news on Friday, but those are yellow folders, right? Let's see any more. All right. No real news like that, you know? So we good to play. Don't expect like too much crazy pushes. Just, you know, news to me, I feel like it's just, you know, it's just an excuse anyway. For market to go in a direction that it's going to go. Most likely that news is going to be the reason why we get down here. I just want to let you know. That's going to be the reason why we get down there. Right? Is going to be because news. Why are we going to get below these lows? Right? These lows right here. This low here is because of news. Right? This is what I'm looking to see if we could get below this low right here, because this, to me, this wick, there's money in this wick. They got to come and get that, pick up those bags, right? Right underneath that wick, all in this wick, there's money, guys, all right? So, I mean, that's the play. I mean, there's not really much that I could go into on this beautiful Monday, because, like, we already had some really good movement last week. Guys, this is a really good setup right here. This is more of like literally, if I was to catch this move, like last week, I know we caught this move last week. Let me look at the group real quick. Okay. Yes. We caught the move, pushed down, and we came all the way down to 1934 was my last TP, and we smashed that at 1934, guys. As you can see, we're right here, right? All those TPs. This was just last week's signal, right? This was Friday. Friday we were selling the markets. Look, there was the reason I wanted to sell the markets is because of this right here, this push up, right? This institutional candle right here, guys. This one I highlighted in pink, this one. So that one went up, and then when they sold down, I watched them sell. I watched them close here. When they closed, I just knew then, I was just like, engulf, let's go. We're going to push lower, and we're going to take all of these lows. Look. All of them guys there. What happened? They got hit by this. Let me show you. Where's my little... They got hit by this guy. Whoever they are. Oops. All right. We got hit by them. This candle right here. So if retail traders got smacked out up here, I knew once we closed here engulfing, we were falling, guys, and we were heading for these lows here and taking out their stop losses. We even caught these guys here sitting there chilling, right? They were chilling. And look, they got hit too. But now what market is doing, which is clear, is that they created this slippage, was going to give us a clue. Oh, shoot. All right. This slippage here was a clue to say, hey, when they push down, they're going to come back up. They're going to close this gap. You guys, you have to see this. Let me make sure y'all can still hear me. All right, cool. Listen. They're going to close this gap right here, which they did, as you can see, with this candle here did it, close that gap. pushed up a little bit back into this insufficient, not insufficient, but in this institutional candle, right? And then fall. I would have liked to see it push more in the 50% or the 78 and 88%, but sometimes it don't take all that, guys. It don't take all that. What it take is just to move into this candle some. As you can see, this candle went up. It moved into this candle. It only got to like right here, not even 50% of it. And then like, let's see, this next candle did it. Okay. She didn't even get to 50% and then she dropped. Then they've been dropping, right? So now I'm looking like, well, I still got my eye on the 50% and the 78 and 88%, guys. I still got my eyes on that, guys. Come on. Still got my eyes on it. All right. Now, where am I aiming for? I'm aiming for these lows. I'm aiming for this insufficient price action here, this slippage candle, because this to me is imbalance and they have to correct that. Okay, guys, they're not just going to leave this and never take it. They will take it. 9 times out of 10, they'll take it. Okay, so yeah. All right. This is the play. I've already explained to y'all my reasonings on why I'm making this play. Okay. I've decided that, yes, I can get you guys in on some really good positions, good price points, where you can make some pretty good money. But here's the thing. I play a little different. I'm not really a stop loss. You know, I do that for stream purposes, but the stop losses, guys, my stop loss is based off of my account risks. So I might be able to go a little further out than 15 pips. I might be able to hold this trade. If I place a trade, my initial thought is, can that trade hold a fluctuation of 50 or more pips, right? If it can't hold 50 to like 100 pips, guys, I'm lowering my lot size, because that means that the lot size that I have is too big. Too big if it can't hold 50 to 100 pips. So I'm going to give it 50 pips, right? If I use the $10, I'm only going to lose like I'll be in drawdown $500. What is $500, right? If you use $1, you're down only drawdown $50. Like, that's nothing, guys. So I've been like coming on here and giving you guys, like, ever since I started streaming, I've been giving you guys like the 15 pip stop, 20 pip stop type thing, right? Yes, I can be a very precise sharpshooter in these markets, right? But I don't like to give you a shot of in the pullback be 15 pips when I know market could probably pull back 15 pips, right? And take some L's. I don't want to take an L, you know, due to just 15 pips when I know I could have risked a hell of a lot more on my stop loss versus taking a 15 pip L. When sometimes where we enter in, like for instance here, I'm in at 1941, market could fluctuate back up to the 50% zone, or the 78% or the 88% zone. Like, guys, I know this. If I know this, I'm going to let my trade, like, can this handle Can it handle coming back up there 100 pip? Yes, my trade can. Perfect. Now I'm going to give it that 50 pip or whatever, right? Just to put it there, right? I'm just really looking at price action, right? I don't see market pushing to the upside. I see market coming to the downside. We got to retrace back down eventually. Eventually, we have to retrace. Look, if you look to the left, look at all the slippage that was happening before in the bear market. Look at this bear market right here. Look at this slippage over here. Do you see how market came back up and filled this slippage? Well, most of the slippage, right? On the hourly. How market made slippage here, came back up, eventually filled it, right? Any more slippage here, came back up, eventually filled it. Guys, same thing. Slippage here, came back up, eventually filled it. Slippage, came back up, filled it. Guys, same on this bull market here. They're going to push up, but market doesn't go up forever. And then they're going to create slippage. Guess what they're going to have to do? They're going to have to come back and fill this slippage. And how are they going to do that? Well, they're going to create some type of whack-off schematic up here, right? Some type of distribution stage, correct? Right? They already broke this area, letting me know that they have a intention of wanting to move lower. That's enough for my eyes to be like, yo, all right, let's just find a position. Let's find it, hold it. Not really too worried about it. You guys we can sleep on it. Woo de woo. I'll just monitor it. I'm just gonna monitor this until I see that she's moving in my direction. She could come back up and hit this 50% area. She could come to the 78.88. I'm trying to tell you guys, because why? This is an institutional candle. This pink one is an institutional candle, guys. All right, but we're in at 1941. If market does pull back up, great. I'll get a better price. I'll get a better price for the sales. Right? That's what I'm looking at. So, let's see. I'm gonna just sit here with you guys for a little bit. I gotta get my meds in real quick. You feel me? But I hope that you guys starting to understand how I'm doing this thing here. Okay. I'm not an indicator trader. I never really liked the indicator situation. They always be lagging. I'm a price action trader. I actually just look at the markets, scan the markets, look at the story, see what happened, and then I mark my chart accordingly to what I see. What I see, okay? These are just my ideas, okay? I did drop this signal in the group for everyone. Matter of fact, I dropped it in the group for the free group also. So if you're in my free group, you could go and get that signal, the coordinates, on TP1s, 2, and 3. Feel free to go check that out. The link is in the description below. It's a Telegram group. Go ahead and jump in that thing and start, following along with me. I'm giving out, the free, my free coordinates on what I'm looking at in these markets and how, in stream, I'm showing you guys how I trade. Like, this is live. I didn't rehearse this, guys. Okay. I'm live right now. Okay. I don't know if you know. Let me see. All right, so as you can see, this is where I am. I'm at home. I live in Heron, okay? And it's 7:45 a.m., September 4th, and it's Monday, all right? So this is live, guys. All right, live action. We're in the money, making lives monies. Okay. I like setups like this versus market doing like crazy stuff. Like down here was a little crazy. It was a little harder to determine, but I did catch it a couple times. I took a few hits, but made it out alive. Let's see. Let me make sure you guys can still hear me. Yep. All right, cool. All righty. So, like I said, guys, it's going to be a slow Monday. She might just creep down into our areas. She might flux up some, you know, it's a new week. Let's just go ahead and like, you know, stretch a little bit. You feel me? Get a little limber. You feel me? And then get, you know, we in the game. We're going to get this trading this week. We're gonna catch some pips this week or points, whichever one you want to call it, right? Um, just to me, it's getting some shmoneys. That's what it is, getting the shmoneys. All right, trying to pay these bills. Now I ain't got no bills like that, y'all, for real. Oh shit! I own my house, by the way. I have the deed. Okay, I bought my house. It's public record. You could go check it out. Right? I just showed you guys the city I live in, right? I picked this city, you know, small place. One, I want to get away from the the noise cities, right? I've been living in high rises and lofts and in downtown areas. And guys, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I needed something where I could just I can have some peace of mind and I can think. Here in Heron, I can think. Okay. The population is so small here. Like literally, this was once a village, and they're not even a city. So perfect. There's farms everywhere, uh, llama farms, there's chicken farms, it's you know people burning in their backyard. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. I need that. You know, it's all about nature. They hunt out here. My neighbor want to take me hunting, but you know, I ain't too fond of killing the animals like that because I don't eat the animals. So I don't want to kill them either, you know? It just goes against everything that I believe in right now. You know, like but anyways, I'm loving it. I like the small town. There's other towns surrounding me. So there's a college town that's next door. So if I want to see people and deal with other people, I can. There's super Walmarts here. There's Sam's. There's restaurants. I think they just put an Olive Garden out here. So they're growing. We got casinos. We got wine vineyards like crazy, guys. If you're into the wine, yo, they're everywhere here. This is the spot, right? Um, yeah, and it's quiet. It's quiet. I like it. You know, it's a town where mostly everybody knows everybody. This is an old Italian town. So the Italians used to hide out here. There's a lot of like signs that show like Italian food and stuff like that. But I personally don't eat out like that. I like to eat what I cook. Um, so I know what's in it and how it's being prepared and how clean the dishes are. You feel me? You can't trust everybody's cleaning or everybody's cooking. But here we are. Um, Oh, as you can see, we go down in the time frame. You start seeing like little insufficient price actions. And then you can just narrow all this stuff down. And it's a lot going on here. I'm just gonna put it here. All right. And just bring this here. Boom. There's the play, guys. It's the play. We got money sitting here. I still have, like I said, my eyes on the 50% area, 78 and 88% area, guys. Yo, it's Monday. It's a good Monday. Let me see what's happening while we waiting. Cause guys, look, listen, y'all in my space. Okay? Y'all in my space. And what I do in my space, all right, I'm not gonna change what I do in my space because I'm on stream. Like, this is literally what I be doing in my space, y'all. For real. I got my big TV right here, the music. I got my keyboard. You know, I got my mic and stuff. Yesterday, I was recording some music. I had to record a track for one of my guys here that sent me 2 tracks. Told me to pick from one of them or whatever. Sent me a dope ass track. It was kind of like a Drake type, you know, beat or whatever. And I recorded it and emailed it back to him like that. You know, I be in my own little world, y'all. Like, my own world. Not worried about nobody. Doing my own thing. This is, and I trade. As y'all can see, I trade. I really do trade, y'all. I don't know what anybody else out here doing, but I actually do trade. Yeah. So, let me see what's going on there. In the YouTube market. Anybody got some new tracks, new songs? Yo, let's give it up for Coco, man. In the tennis world, yo. For real. I watched her for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. I watched Coco do her thing on the tennis court. And yo, she's good. She's good. I like her. She did her thing in the US Open. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yo, US been kicking ass, y'all. We kicking ass in track. You feel me? Track and field, we kicking ass. You feel me? Tennis, we kicking ass. Swimming, we're kicking ass. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Let's see. Ain't much going on. Not much going on at all right now. I'm just looking at shorts and shit. Nothing going on. Nothing going on. Let's just see. I need to get my affirmations in this morning. I got up a little later. I wanted to sleep a little later. And now, you know, after stream, I'll get my affirmations in. I like to watch like the I am affirmations. and they show like, you know, different things of like luxury homes, cars, jets, you know, yachts and stuff. All the stuff that I like, you know, that I want to manifest into my life. I don't know why couples get on YouTube and they put their business out on YouTube. Like that's a fall. It's like a you're destined for a fall. I don't know. Like I don't see any good in it. I mean, I see they, you know, they get views and people they getting views because people are messy. They messy and they like messy stuff. So I just don't get it. Yeah, I'm gonna play these affirmations, but I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on low. I don't want YouTube to um hit me with a mark. But I like watching like all these mansions, modern homes, and then it's just like fancy cars and stuff. Like, yep. Oh, all right. So I'm gonna have that playing in the background. Wow. I just sit here and just chill and get my meds in, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Let me see what's up with the group. Yeah, we're looking good. Everything's looking good, guys. Everything's looking good. Shit, that's what's up. Shit, give me a second here. Give me 1 second. I'll grab my stuff. All right. Oh, get back in this thing. Man, we covered a lot today. We did cover a lot today. This setup is looking, it's looking pretty good. Pushing in my direction, pretty nice. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm not gonna go any lower than 15 minutes, guys. I'm gonna leave it like this. This is pretty much the play. Oh. Gotta do emails, gotta check some emails today. Gotta send out some emails today. It's gonna be you know, one of those days when you getting back, when you was sick for like a week and then you came back to work and then it's like work then piled up on you. Yeah. That's how it be. For real. I got any more tea left? Mm-hmm. All right. What is it? All right. Um, mm, all right. Maybe I can't do it here. Maybe I'm gonna try to do it on my phone, on my computer. Maybe that's what I should do. Guys, we're just waiting on market to move in our direction. She already has been moving in our direction. Just waiting now for her to just hit some price points for me. All right. So this isn't my super income class. I don't know what's going on here. Let me see. All right, let me try it from here. What's Marcus doing? Move into my areas nicely. Yo, this is gonna be a nice. This is a nice setup, guys. This is a pretty good setup. It's not an A setup, but I'll give it like a B plus or something. Like I can hold this trade out, and I can make it. If it comes back up, I'll make it an A plus setup. You feel me? Like, come on. Talking to the goat here. Where the goat? There the goat. Y'all see the goat, man. Man, I should put the goat like this or something. Y'all see that goat right there? Talking to the goat. I have a goat on my desk. All right. You can't be the goat and don't have a goat on your desk. No, there's just no such thing. Okay. So, what the heck did these folks? Okay, this ain't right. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. I got some work to do. I need to go out here and cut my grass too. I like cutting grass and doing lawn. I actually don't like cutting grass, but I like doing yard work. Okay. Like I like making it like look good. I like planting and stuff like that, flowers and vegetables and spices and stuff like that. I like doing that. But I don't like cutting the grass. I mean, I would cut it if it was like um if I had a riding lawnmower, you know. All right. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay, great. Yeah. All right. We'll see how that goes. Okay. Yeah, I only gave him one signature. Hmm. Let me see. Whoa, that was the wrong thing. I lost it. I lost it. Okay. So I was looking for working in another window and then this window. All right, let's look. Okay, DXY. You still wanna push down a little bit. See how you react here. Will we put that push up or will we come down some? We'll see. Mm, let's look at US 30, guys. I want to see US 30. I've been marking the heck out of US 30. Excuse all the stuff on US 30. Hold on. Let me just, I'm gonna hide it. All right. I'm gonna hide that. See what we got. Wait, I missed a month. Hmm. Okay. We'll go with that. All right. Let's see how we gonna play this. So let's go to the weekly. Hmm. That fast. Spotted. I'm going to clear this because, let me see. Yeah, I just want to have my own. How do I delete? Look at that. Y'all see that? 0 indicators. But I've been drawing on here 98 times, right? 0 indicators, but I'm drawing. All right, let me just delete them because we don't need them. Because I want to start off raw. Raw. What a lot of y'all shouldn't be doing. Yeah, all right. So automatically, just based off of looking at what I was seeing on the monthly and the weekly, few things caught my eyes on the monthly and the weekly. So when I drop down to the daily, we could see, let me just close this up. I'm gonna make it small like this. You can clearly see what direction we're going in, guys. All right. But there was this area here where we wasn't making any highs, right? Or lows, higher highs or lower lows, right? We were just consolidating here. All right. So when they came in these double bottoms and double tops, all I did was just look and see which one was taken first. So this one. And then this one came and got taken next, right? But let's just say that you didn't know that, and that was money, right? And we're just gonna like just make it a little smaller. We got those tops. We got these tops here. We had these bottoms. You see the bottoms get taken. All right, once the bottoms got taken, I'm just gonna run through this real quick and just what I see, just based off of what I see, guys. All right. They moved sideways. They came down. They took the double bottoms here, right? They hadn't created the double tops yet, which is okay because we had tops up here and we got these tops here. Right now, let me grab this tool because I want to be quick with it. What's the best one to do it with? Probably this one, this brush. Okay, so check this. Just work with me here, all right? Because I'm gonna run through it pretty quick because my brain, when I'm silent, works faster than me trying to talk. So just pay attention, okay? All right. So we got these bottoms. I see they got taken. We got the push to the downside. It looks like we were hitting insufficient price action. So let me grab that real quick. All right, here. All right, we had some insufficient price action. There was this candle here that caught my eye. All right, this candle that caught my eye, and then below these lows, insufficient price action that caught my eye. All right, there is some lower, but it doesn't matter because we have these tops here. All right, then if the next wave that comes down, it doesn't push to the downside to break these lows. All right. So I also want to just make sure I mark these lows here. take the bottoms, insufficient price action right after that, all up in there, right? They were going to come back down and feel that. But where were they going to go? Because they bounced in this area, grabbed up some orders to get to push up. Well, the idea would have been this last candle here, right? Last push up to the downside, which would have been this candle here. All right. I'm running through this real quick. I hope you guys can see this. All right. Now what do I see? I always got to look left. What do we have above this high? All right, we got this candle here. This candle moved into that one. This candle moved into that one. So we got this candle. This is the candle right here. I want to keep my eyes on. All right, then we just want to put it like right there and probably right there. And they played off of it once, right? They did. They played off of it once, got in my little target zone. And we got a little higher here. They came back into it, right? Maybe a shot there. But let's see what happened. What was this? Up here. We got another institutional candle here. Boom. Boom. All right. So they played in it once, pushed a little higher, played in this institutional candle. Let's mark it so you can see it. That's what we're talking about right there. Yeah. So this is why we got that shot there. When market came back up into this institutional candle, you're supposed to be looking for a shot. When market comes up into this institutional candle, you need to be looking for a shot. Oops, not that many up there. That's out of range right there. All right. Let's keep looking. I hope y'all seeing this. I hope you're seeing this. Hold on, let me double check, make sure y'all can hear me. All right, cool. Now let's see. Look left. What else we got? We got this candle up here. Little institutional candle right there. This is the main reason for the move all the way to the downside. Look how they're inching their way up. All right. So we got shots that we haven't taken yet. Boom, right there and right there. That's that institutional candle. That last candle before the up move. Yeah, get out of drawing mode. All right, so that's the last candle before the up move, guys. And then this is where we're looking to take our shot. Okay. It hasn't been hit yet. I'm being a fortune teller. You know, like I'm predicting where I want to see market get back up to this 6. And then on top of that, 365, you know, these whole numbers here, like 36,560. Come on. Like, you guys, playing off of this institutional candle, look left. Okay. And I'm going to keep these drawings here. All right. Let me just update some stuff. They did that. Boom. Push to the upside. All right. I want to see more. I see some insufficient price action here. A little slippage here. And then we do have like this little slippage that they created, but they played back into it a couple times. And they got this slippage below. Right here. And here. All right. Let's see what else. We got some slippage here. All right, this one has already been hit. So we put this here. These have been hit. So put this over here. So we still got this here that has not been tagged. All right. A little bit above. This right here, too familiar. Boom, downside. I mean, we have this insufficient price action here. So let's narrow that up here. All right, everything else is sufficient. So I see this insufficient price action right here. So I got my eyes on that. I have my eyes on this too. And here, and here, and down here. And we got some double bottoms down here too. Guys, these are just areas that I'm going to be keeping my eyes on. Because, okay, so real quick, I'm gonna just run through this real fast. See, as you can see, like when I'm marking these areas here, to me, you can see the evidence after the last push down to the upside movement all the way to the top, right? You can see that. You can see they pushed down. You can see they moved up. Here's the evidence. Now, what happened was before they got up there and they was ready to move up, this happened. So they pushed down and then they moved up. And then they was like, oh shoot, we moving up. Right? They had to put themselves in drawdown. So to me, this area here is a money bag and it's in drawdown. Why? Because they sold again and then they bought up and they bought up and it just went all the way up crazy, right? Well, this area here is one of the reasons. This was the first reason. If you missed this reason, this was your second chance to get in to take US 30 all the way up. And this was June 1st, guys. You could have been holding this trade. I'm pretty sure your swap fees would have been like killing you right now, but um you'll be in some hella profits. So I'm just saying, that's just what my eyes see. All right. I know that didn't get to 50%. Yeah, that's probably like a 32%. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That's what I have there. We just narrow this down some, maybe. Hmm. All of this is money. Don't come get them guys. Eventually. And we got these little this money here. We got this institutional candle here. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say like on a 5 minute, like this is an institutional candle, but you could kind of look at it as such. It was a push up to the push down, and it was never played back into it. They tried to get up in there, but they didn't get in there. So let's see. They played off of this one. Played off of this one pretty nice. Look, let me show you. This lower time frame, guys. Boom, 5 minute shot. Got him. Got him. Right there. Got him. Y'all see that? I'm just move this over, but it's this right here. Look at that. Then you know what? That would have been your short. Take her down. But I would have to pull up the 1 hour first. Y'all see how I just got that move? Y'all see how I just got that move? Let's see. Insufficient price action right here. Y'all, I know y'all see how I just got that move. And then what? We got like insufficient price action here. There's some here, guys. Like right here. Okay. And then we have all these lows down here. That's as precise as I'm going to get it for right now. I do see this up here. I mean, that would have been a way better shot. Like if she could come up here and then we fall. But look how easy I got this precise shot going by just finding like institutional candles on the lower time frame. Right? This is a 5-minute shot. Look at that. I'm finna show you again, just in case you missed it. Look, last push up to the downside. Mark that candle, right? It was engulfed. After that, there was like slippage that followed. Perfect. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Mark this candle at the bottom, the open of that candle, and you can shoot off that candle. I mean, can you get any precise than that? Can we, Mo? Let's see. Can we do it? I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get, guys. The 5-minute candle shot is good. Now, yeah, that's it. Like the first shot I would have taken was of the open of the body. Like dead ass. That was an easy call. And then look at this. Look at that. Don't tell me I don't know how to trade. I just trade differently than a lot of these people, right? Well, put me up against any trader, yo, for real. I'll show you what's good. All right, so it's 1 minute. Let me get off this 1 minute. Let's see what we got. And that was a nice shot, though. Look at that 5-minute institutional. Boom, shot. Take her down for the kill. Where's she going? Taking out all these guys. All these people that were buying. We got to get them, right? Boom, that's it. Let me check gold real quick. Yo, I'm telling y'all, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling much better. Killed my target. Look at that. Smashed this target. Let me see what's happening in the group. Did we get down here? Yeah, we about to pip off. All right. Yo, I told you right here on the live stream what my target was. You watch me mark this and then look. Who eating? Like, how many pips we up right now? I ain't even paying attention. I'm over here marking other charts. We actually got 29 pips. Almost, we moving to 30 pips. Let's see. We can watch it move to 30 pips. We moving around 30, 29, 30 pips, guys. I mean, a $10, you up $290 before 9 o'clock. I'm just saying. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm over here not even paying attention to gold. I'm over here marking US 30. Marking US 30 real quick for you. Right? Just did that real fast for you. You see how I got my entry? You see this institutional candle right here? Right? Right there. Right? So I hope you do. Right? And then we do have 5-minute insufficient price actions, guys. We do. We have 5-minute insufficient price action all over the place. But I will have all these different lines. Like everywhere. Like, I mean, if you just want me to mark it, I'll mark it. I'll just stay in draw mode. So we got little insufficient price action there. Little insufficient price action here. Well, yeah, we could call it that. Insufficient price action there. And this is like just 5-minute targets. We got a big one down here. Boom. It was all 5-minute targets, guys. Okay. And what is she doing? Getting ready to smash all these little targets. I'm just saying. I mean, you want me to just name it like money, 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 and money. With, I don't know what this stop is, but it say 15 or 153. Didn't need it. I mean, I just put it there for the high of that candle. You could have even put it like somewhere like right above it, if you want it, or you know, even smaller if you want it, based off of the how she was moving on the 5 minute. To me, if you was watching this move sideways, come down some, feel this insufficient price action, push up, gave it a reason to push up into this this institutional candle, right, and then fall, because this is them picking up the bag. That's, I'm just saying. Come on, man. What other way is there to trade, guys? For real. This is the way you got to look at the markets, guys. There's no accidents in these markets. They're purposely pushing markets to certain price points. And that's just that. And that's just the way I trade, and I'm never going to change it. This is the theory that I have in my head, that I've been taught this theory, and this is a theory that I'm going to pass on, right? Now, there is this other candle here that pushed up into this candle, so I could keep my eyes on this candle here too. So I like to keep my eyes on stuff like that. And that's just 5 minutes, guys. It's just the 5 minute, right? So all those little, you know, 5 minute institutional candles you can be played off of. Like everything that you do on a higher time frame, guys, you could do on a lower time frame, but you just got to keep the higher time frame in perspective. That's it. Let's go to gold. Let's look at our gold trade. Because, you know, I'm the gold trader Mo. Feel me? Mo Diesel. Let's go. All right. Smacking. Literally smacking our TP1. So let me let everybody know TP1 has been smacked. You feel me? Let me update the group. And y'all, this is just, you know, what I do live. Reply. Put a little emojis behind it. You feel me? Boom. Let's go. Let's get it. We are already in the money. I dropped this free in the group too. By the way, if you're not in the Telegram group, make sure you join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below. It's free to join. I mean, it's free money, guys. It's free. Okay. I dropped signals in there. The signal that we're in right now, I have dropped in the group. Free. You could run this up on, you know, on your end, how you see fit for your account, right? But, you know, this is just my ideas. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or any of that. You know, read that stuff up top. Feel me? It's scrolling. But let me go back to DXY. All right, DXY doing this thing. US 30 still doing this thing. Guys, let me go to hourly real quick. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on now. Come on. New York session. Look at this. 7:15. This is 7 o'clock. Market open. 7:15. Take the highs. Head for the lows. Doesn't get any easier than that, guys. Straight up. It just doesn't. Like, look, free shmoney. This is free shmoney, guys. Come. How many times? How many times do I gotta do this? I'm gonna do this over and over and over again. I mean, look at that shot. That precision right there. And guys, yes, I can make these same shots before market gets there. I'm gonna get that same shot before market get there. Why? Because I'm watching on a lower time frame and I already marked the higher time frame. So I just keep the higher time frame in perspective when I'm looking at the lower time frame, and I'm looking at the same type of setups on the lower time frame. That's just that. I know a lot of other traders are not going to tell you exactly how they trade, right? They're going to leave out some things. They're going to, they're not going to explain too much on the fibs. They're not going to, everybody on the Fibonacci, y'all want to, when you put Fibonacci on your chart, you're fibbing a whole wave, or you're fibbing like a lot of candles. I'll just be like, what the heck is these folks doing? Straight up. Like, I be wondering, like, who is teaching y'all the wrong way of doing things? It must be baby pips. It gotta be. For real. Like, get you guys somebody that knows how to come on here live and show you setups, and that actually does hit the button, that's in trades, and that's been doing this, and they're not like just giving out signals. These people need to show you that they know how to trade, right? Understand that they have some type of edge in the market. This to me is my edge. On the way I trade, I found my edge. Okay. So be careful, you guys, on who you're getting your knowledge from when it comes to this market. Yes, it's the most biggest financial market in the world. It's the most liquid, right? Everybody wants to come in here and just become rich and just grab all the bags, right? And buy the Lamborghini, the mansion, go on the vacations and stuff. Like, come on. Yes, all of that stuff you're capable of doing with forex, but you're not capable of doing it if you do not have an edge. Doesn't matter. You can have that dream, but if you don't got an edge, and you can't be consistent, guys, it's just a dream. You know what I mean? Like, make it your reality by creating an edge in the markets and being consistent with it and showing like profits in these markets, guys. Okay. Now let me see what she's doing here on the 5 minute. Let's just narrow this down some. And I mean, there was a little here, so we can go ahead and mark that. Mark it all. All right. Now what I like to do is to watch and see how she reacts when she does get to these areas of insufficient price action on lower time frames. I want to see how she reacts. Like, guys, you're trying to see, like, all right, is she can possibly fill this and bounce up, because she likes to move from one insufficient price action to the other, right? So there is insufficient price action above here, right? We do have this area here, not so much here, but we did have some here. We do have some here, and we have some here. Okay, so these areas are areas of insufficient price action. I want to see, like, okay, she went from one, this big one here, right? So now we can say that's an X, because that hoe out the dough, right? And then, all right, cool. we step on that and we press the gas and go the other direction. How high are we going to go, right? Are we going to come all the way back up here to this area where we got our eyes on, right? And again, I have the 50% area here and then 88% and 78. Could we have a strong possibility of coming back up this high, right? The only way you're going to know is if you drop down to the lowest time frame and watch as she breaks structure. Is she breaking structure? No, she hasn't broken structure yet, right? You want to wait. I like this slippage here because if she does decide to break structure, she has to come back down and tap into it and then push to the high side, right? So I will be looking for that. But that's only if she does it. There's like lots of money down here still, guys. Yes, she created money here. Again, I wanted her to come all the way up here to the 50% zone and the 78, 88. Those are more institutional levels right there, but she doesn't have to. She could come, you know, just this much. Oops. Come up here and then just fall and then continue to fall, right? There's always that possibility. Let me lock this thing. All I'm doing now is just waiting on her to break structure on a lower time frame, which I doubt that she does. But you have to watch it. There's no guessing in this game, guys. We watch and see we use our eyes and see what's going on. Is she breaking the structure on a lower time frame? Did she come back and play back into that slippage that she's creating? That's what I'm looking for before she makes the move to the upside to grab this. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm looking for. And it's a lot going on up here. All right. Because we are in a downtrend on the lower time frame. We are in a distribution stage on the lower on the higher time frame on the 1 hour. I see that we're in a distribution stage. If you do not know what these terms are, guys, go study them. All right, every trader needs to know this stuff. I don't know what you guys thinking. Like, I'm gonna get a shortcut or something. There's no shortcuts in trading. All right, and you need to learn it. Go learn what the candles mean and represent. Go learn what the stages of the markets are. Go learn the trends. Go learn how to do the pip count. Go learn all of that stuff, guys. You gotta learn it. It's like learning a new language or going to a new country and trying to, learn how to spend your money. You gotta learn how to spend your money, don't you? You gotta eat. Same thing with trading, y'all. All right. And then this is a distribution stage, guys. All right, so we're gonna be pushing down. No matter if she come up, that's fine. I mean, all I'm looking for is her to push down. It could also be sometimes like you got accumulation down here and then a reaccumulation stage, and then she goes into a distribution stage and then fall, do a redistribution stage. Like, guys, go learn whack off and learn the phases of whack off, and you should be fine. But that's all I'm looking at. That's all I see. So, yeah, that's that. All right, let's go check on our baby here. Oh, look like she's been eating up them dollar signs. Been wanting them bags, huh? Got them. Got them. Look at that. That precision shot is nice. Gets no better than that. Gets no better than that, guys. Let me see DXY. Perfect. All right. Let's make this a little bit more precise. Nothing. Maybe something here. And nothing there. Like as I go down on lower time frames, I just mark what I see. It's just what I do. I'ma scan these markets up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down until I'm comfortable with what I'm seeing I present on the chart, and then I'm good with the direction that I chose. Again, DXY, that's to get up here to my POI. I'm looking for her to get up there. Not her, I'm sorry. I call all markets her. Except for dollar. Dollar is supposed to be daddy. You know what I mean? Like dollar is daddy. Like, come on. Let's eat. Alright. Let's keep going. Alright. I want to see more of the 15-minute. Like push to the down. More say. Get down here in this area here. Take these guys out. Already, you know, been moving, got these guys, they're gone. Got this insufficient price action. They picked that up, but doesn't necessarily mean that, you know, they're ready to do a turnaround. It's just the future is going to have to tell. So let me just go to 5 minute real quick. I need for the 5 minute to break structure in order for me to believe that this market is possibly going a little higher. It could come all the way up to my 50% or 78, 88% levels. I'll be looking there. That's just what my eyes is looking at. So, like, I would like to see them continue to the downside, of course, because we're all in sales. But we also have to keep other things in mind. Being a trader is about being flexible with what's on the board, or what's being presented on the board, should I say, right? So if you're being presented the buy side, you know, that liquidity on buy side possibly getting taken, then you have to be flexible enough to be able to, all right, manage your trade accordingly, right? But I'm really betting on the downside, you know, pushes to the downside. We have continuously been moving to the downside. So I do want to see us get further down. This right here was an indication that we, like up in this area, was an indication that markets was moving to the downside based off of the higher time frame. And actually, you know, based off of the look left too, you know, on the lower time frame, they're not giving it to me. Maybe they'll give it to me in 15 minutes. Yes. All right, cool. All right. So as you can see, there was a gap. Right? So they reached and they grabbed that gap, and then there was There's probably more gaps too. Like right up in here was a little gap too. But there was a last buy to sell candle, which was this area here, this quick fast move up, then to push to the downside, creating all this slippage, guys. Perfect. That's exactly what I want to look for. This is what I love to see. Why I love it when it plays out so nice, because then they get these tops here, right? And then they just smash all of these tops. Boom, boom, boom. Right? So all these guys are gone. Right? That's done for. These guys are gone. Yo, okay. I see that my mic went out again. It might be because, you know what? Um, because I'm over like 2 hours or something. But that don't really be the situation. When I'm only like an hour or maybe 30 minutes in, and my mic would have been gone off, and I wouldn't know why. So I'll be talking to y'all, and then next thing you know, my mic be out. So my bad, guys. Again, I'm gonna switch my mic to my AKG mic. So just give me some chance. Give me some time. Give me a chance to do it, okay? Just give me a chance. I have it right here, but it's set up for the studio. I got it now set up for the stream. Let me figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna have to keep checking my mic. Like have it pulled up and always check or be looking at it when I'm talking. Making sure it's catching my voice. Yo, guys, look at US30. Dude, I said I didn't have it long enough, didn't I? No, because the target is really low. You see them eyes? I just wanted her to pick up those money bags. $79 degrees outside right now. I'm supposed to go cut the grass. I'm gonna burn some calories today. And here I am eating popcorn, which is not a good thing to eat popcorn early in the morning. But I'm watching a show, so. And then it's only like what? 150 calories per bag. I'm gonna burn that shit off. The first 15 minutes or earlier of me cutting the grass. Like I'm the owner of this big building, so or house. It's a house, but it was once a warehouse, and I turned it into a house, and I'm working on it and turning it into a house. Get it? So, you know, doing it alone, so I have to do the grass and keep the yard landscaping good. So, yeah, I cut my grass. And I do it, I could pay somebody to do it, but I do it because it's cardio. So, and I get to sweat and I get to make the yard look how I want it to look. So I do it for now. Just for now. Because I think this might be the last summer I do it. That I maintain my own grass. I'm probably getting landscaping company to come in and do the rest. Yeah. This is probably the last summer I'm gonna do it. This was a hot summer. This summer was so hot. But I lost good weight. I got to sweat a lot. I toned up a lot. I kept the building looking amazing. So hey, I'm good. Now in the wintertime coming or the fall, I just work. I work on the inside. Cause the grass ain't gonna really grow like that. So but that's gonna be in a whole nother YouTube video too. I'm gonna be showing you guys that content of what I'm doing here and working on this building and turning it into a house. Well, it was a warehouse. Actually, it was a warehouse. Then it was an apartment complex, and then it became my house. So I'll go on the story of that. I'm going to make some content about that, guys. So stay tuned for that content. All right. Let's look. Let's look. Guys. $43 pips running on stream right now. 43 pips running on stream right now. Looks like we're coming up on TP2, which is good. We're coming up on TP2. And another thing, guys, one reason why I always end the stream like right after like you guys, I get you guys 50 pips. Because I think 50 pips is good enough on stream. That movement is good. You could have stacked. Stacking 50 pips is more than 50 pips. You know? So but as you can see, US 30 just took off. We could have just sold her the minute I marked her. And guys, there was too much confidence behind that. Realize your confidence. Realize what type of confidence you have. And when you do a markup, it's going in that direction. All right? Know that. Let me look at this. Why? All right, we looking good. US 30. Gold. We still moving in our direction. Perfect. She's gonna do her thing. Sit here and watch the show. I've decided to stay a little longer with y'all today. But I usually do end early. Stop bothering me. Ringer off. I do end a little early sometimes. Because I got things to do and I'll be paying attention to the weather. And if I gotta cut the grass or go outside or do any outside things, because I'll be cutting down trees and everything, y'all. Like, yo, I love it out here. I'm a nature guy. So I'm getting the saw today and getting ready to cut some more like of these stumps. I'm trying to cut it down as far as I can cut it. And then burn it. Trying to burn it. So I do outside activities. Okay, and I like it because it's a different type of cardio, right? Versus me working out in my house or working out in the gym. I go outside and I get that work, man, dog. I'm more sweaty and drenched than I am when I leave a gym. So I like it, and I've been doing it all summer, and it's amazing. And plus, I get to see my works afterwards too. So yeah. Anyways, I'm cutting these trees down with a saw today. Might call me Rick Ross. Cut my own trees. What you talking about? $1,000 tree. That's okay. I think I paid like, I don't know. It was like, I think it was like 1,000. Something like that to cut some trees down in one of my on one of my properties. But he just charged me. It was one tree. I think it was like $800 or something like that. It might have been cheaper because I'm in the country. So, or at least that house was. All right. But cutting my own damn trees down. That's what I'm doing. And while I'm cutting my trees, I'm gonna be letting my trades run. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Dude, don't tell me that that wasn't fire. That wasn't fire. That's fire right there. Anyways, guys, this is well over 50 pips. If you would have got in at any point, you already at probably 100. This could be 1,000. Who knows? It's US 30. She moves fast, right? So we're still waiting on gold to push more down into this area here. She might do it a little later, or you know, she could just drop whenever. There is no news to help push her to get her down there, but I do believe later on in the week we have news, and that will be probably a reason on why we will be getting down in there, pushing down in there, because we got to push past this wick area here and definitely dip down into this liquidity. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I got. That's all I got right now. I ain't gonna hold you guys much longer. It's been 2 hours and 28 minutes. We've been on stream. I appreciate anybody who comes by here and just listens to me talk and mark charts. You feel me? So, but yeah, I hope you guys have a rest of your Monday, a wonderful Monday. All right, be productive. You know what I'm saying? Be proactive. Get some things done. You know what I mean? And make sure you like my channel, you subscribe to my channel, you feel me? Hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. You already know what time it is. It's money time. You know what I mean? I'm going to holler at y'all tomorrow on tomorrow's stream. Same time, 7 a.m. Central Time. Make sure you're there. Come get your free shmoneys. All right? One love. Peace.